Welcome to our exploration of the Internet of Things, or IoT. Let's start by understanding what IoT is and why it's so important. IoT refers to the network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data. These devices range from everyday household items to complex industrial machines. But where did it all begin? The concept of connecting devices to the Internet dates back decades. Early pioneers envisioned a world where machines could talk to each other, laying the groundwork for today's innovations. IoT is transforming the way we live and work, from smart homes to advanced healthcare, making our lives more efficient and connected. As we journey through the history and current applications of IoT, you'll see how far we've come and what the future holds. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things. Next, we'll discover the early developments that set the stage for this technological revolution. Stay with us as we unfold the beginnings of IoT and the challenges it faced in its infancy. The journey of the Internet of Things began with the first connected devices. These early pioneers paved the way, but they faced significant challenges. The first IoT devices were simple yet revolutionary. Basic sensors and network devices started to communicate, laying the foundation for a connected world. However, technical limitations, interoperability issues, and security concerns were just a few of the hurdles faced by early developers. Despite these challenges, the potential of IoT was undeniable. Initial applications ranged from simple home automation to industrial monitoring, opening doors to innovative solutions across various sectors. These early successes hinted at the vast possibilities of a future where everything could be interconnected. These early developments set the stage for the current applications of IoT. Today, this technology is revolutionizing industries, making an impact far beyond its humble beginnings. Today, IoT is transforming industries in ways once thought unimaginable. From enhancing patient care in healthcare to optimizing production lines in manufacturing, IoT's reach is vast and impactful. IoT is utilized in healthcare for remote monitoring and smart medical devices, creating new opportunities for personalized and efficient patient care. In manufacturing, IoT drives the development of smart factories and predictive maintenance, significantly boosting productivity and minimizing downtime. Moreover, innovations like edge computing and 5G are elevating connectivity and data processing capabilities, enhancing current operations and paving the way for future developments. Beyond individual industries, IoT is reshaping our cities and infrastructure. Smart cities leveraging IoT technology are becoming more connected, efficient, and responsive to the needs of their residents. From intelligent traffic management systems to energy-efficient solutions, IoT is pivotal in driving urban innovation. The impacts of IoT's integration are undeniable, but we are just scratching the surface of its potential. These advancements are not only transforming existing processes but also opening doors to new possibilities. As we move forward, you'll see how IoT's challenges shape its evolution and drive further technological breakthroughs. Join us in exploring the road ahead, laden with both hurdles and opportunities in the world of IoT. In healthcare, IoT is revolutionizing patient care with remote monitoring and smart medical devices. Imagine being able to monitor vital signs in real time from the comfort of your own home. These advancements aren't just adding convenience, they're saving lives. For instance, smart devices can alert medical professionals to potential issues before they become critical emergencies. Patients with chronic conditions can have a higher quality of life, knowing their health is being continuously monitored. Remote monitoring also reduces the strain on healthcare systems, allowing resources to be focused where they are most needed. From smart inhalers for asthma patients to wearable heart monitors, the improvements in patient care are significant. As we dive deeper, you'll discover more innovations showing how IoT is making our world healthier and more connected. Let's move on to see how IoT is transforming the world of manufacturing. In the world of manufacturing, IoT is ushering in a new era of smart factories. These advanced facilities leverage interconnected devices to boost production efficiency and streamline operations. One key application is predictive maintenance. By monitoring equipment performance in real time, manufacturers can foresee and address issues before they cause costly downtime. This proactive approach enhances productivity and extends the lifespan of machinery. Furthermore, IoT-driven efficiency improvements are transforming every step of the production process. Automated systems and integrated networks allow for seamless data exchange, optimizing workflows and reducing waste. As a result, manufacturers are not only meeting demands more effectively but also contributing to sustainable practices. The smart factory concept illustrates how IoT is revolutionizing traditional industries. The advancements in manufacturing set a robust precedent. But the journey doesn't stop here. Next, we'll delve into how IoT is shaping our cities and creating a more connected urban landscape. In our journey across the Internet of Things, we now arrive at the heartbeat of modern urban development, smart cities. IoT is revolutionizing the infrastructure of cities, transforming how we build and maintain the environments where we live and work. Through smart infrastructure, cities can dynamically respond to changing conditions, fostering sustainable development and improving quality of life. Traffic management systems powered by IoT reduce congestion, shorten commute times, and enhance public transportation efficiency. Energy efficiency is another critical arena where IoT shines. Smart grids and intelligent lighting systems are cutting energy consumption while enhancing reliability and sustainability. The integration of IoT in smart cities is not just a vision of the future, it's happening now, paving the way for more intelligent, responsive urban landscapes. As we move forward, you'll see how IoT faces and overcomes its unique set of challenges. Let's dive deeper into these significant aspects to navigate the world of IoT with clarity and insight. In the realm of the Internet of Things, not everything is smooth sailing. Despite its transformative potential, IoT faces significant hurdles. Security concerns are paramount, as the interconnected nature of IoT devices makes them vulnerable to breaches. Data privacy is another critical challenge, with vast amounts of personal information at risk. Moreover, interoperability issues persist, as devices from different manufacturers often struggle to communicate seamlessly. These challenges are not just technical obstacles, they have real-world implications for industries and consumers alike. Addressing these problems is essential for realizing IoT's full potential. Coming up next, we'll explore how emerging technologies are set to shape the future of IoT. As we look ahead into the future of IoT, the landscape becomes increasingly exciting, filled with possibilities and untapped potential. Emerging technologies like edge computing, 5G, and blockchain are set to transform how IoT devices interact and operate, enhancing speed, security, and efficiency. These advancements will lead to new applications we can only begin to imagine today. Think of smart cities seamlessly integrating with autonomous vehicles, or healthcare systems utilizing predictive analytics to anticipate and prevent medical issues before they arise. Predicted advancements will elevate IoT beyond its current capabilities, paving the way for a world where our environments are more responsive than ever. Smart homes will become even smarter, with devices learning from our habits and preferences, making life not just more convenient, but more personalized. Industrial IoT will revolutionize manufacturing processes with real-time data analytics, leading to improved productivity and reduced downtime. In the realm of environmental sustainability, IoT will play a crucial role in monitoring and managing resources more effectively, contributing to a greener planet. The future applications of IoT are boundless, limited only by our imagination and the pace of technological innovation. As we stand on the brink of these incredible developments, one thing is certain: the impact of IoT on our daily lives will be profound and far-reaching. The visionary perspective promises a future where connectivity and intelligence converge to form a smarter, more intuitive world for us all. As we look towards the future, the synergy between IoT and artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly evident. The integration of AI with IoT isn't just shaping smarter devices, it's driving smart decision-making processes and enhancing automation like never before. From intelligent algorithms that predict maintenance needs in factories to smart homes that intuitively adjust to our lifestyles, the possibilities are endless. AI enables IoT to move beyond mere connectivity, turning data into actionable insights. This convergence promises a future where our interactions with technology are not only seamless but also profoundly intuitive and efficient. As we continue exploring, we'll see how this powerful combination will transform industries and daily life. We've journeyed through the fascinating evolution of the Internet of Things, exploring its origins, its transformative impact today, and the groundbreaking future that lies ahead. From smart healthcare and manufacturing to innovative smart cities and the seamless integration with artificial intelligence, IoT is reshaping our world in profound ways. But this is just the beginning. Now it's your turn to dive deeper. Explore the endless possibilities that IoT offers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, industry professional, or student, the world of IoT is ripe with opportunities waiting to be discovered. Visit our resource center, join our community, and be part of the next wave of innovation. The future of IoT is in your hands. So, what will you create next? Let's embark on this journey together and forge a smarter, more connected future.